Hey guys, girls, everyone, welcome to my new video, and today we're going to be speaking emotions. Guys, emotions are like the key thing for sales, like be that Amazon, be that Shopify website, be that a frontal sale, anything, email marketing, whatever. Emotions are like the basics of any sale, guys. And today I want to be sharing, like what I've learned throughout my years in entrepreneurship about emotions, how I use them in my listings, and how I sell more because I implement the right emotions in the right time. And basically, I want to show you how you can benefit from this as well. So let's dive into today's video. Guys, so emotions. I've mentioned that emotions are really important for any business or for any project or for anything that you're trying to sell pretty much. But why? Like, why would this be so? Why would people be influenced by emotions to make sales and purchases? Well, I got a sort of a nice quote here and says, people don't buy products or services or features or benefits, people buy transformation. So eventually, guys, it's not exactly the knife that you're selling them that they want to cut their sort of chicken or something. It's like the cut chicken and the amazing meal they're gonna have and the family time. That's what you're selling to people when when you're selling knives. Just as an example, and in Apple's example, they used to for their iPod, they just use people, all sorts of different people with different colors, with whatever, like the Apple fans just dancing their asses off, and they're like aliens and apes and men and women, and the colors are from different sides of the rainbow kind of thing. And this is an amazing ad in my opinion because it's purely emotional here. There's nothing to say, it's just the music, you, and you're killing it, and that's Apple. But guys, let's go through some ads that are more of combined ads, like where people have many emotional things sort of on them, and let's dig and see what's there, like which emotion is that and where does it show, what makes people buy, like why people should click get started here. So this is Plastic, like a company that just like helps you not to write a check again, right? You pay for stuff by card, and even if if they don't accept credit cards, so basically you just quickly, really easily through Plastic, you can pay for your childcare, right? And the fees are small, and it's guaranteed to arrive on time. And the girl here is just relaxed, like she's drinking her coffee, and she knows that she'll never write a check again. Like this burden of writing checks, of sitting, of doing all this boring stuff just stopped, and now she's drinking her coffee. She's totally there, in this beautiful moment of not ever writing a check again. And that's exactly what Plastic shows here. That's the transformation we're looking for, right? And not this service. We're gonna use their service, logically. You justify your relaxed state of mind by seeing that the fees are small, it's guaranteed to arrive on time, and Visa, American Express here, like these badges make you trust this company. Awesome. And then we have brand yourself. So that's for people who sort of try to run personal brands, I believe. And it says look great when employers, clients, and even dates Google you. All right, so basically what this company is offering is to brand yourselves tools, and the tools of this company, they empower you to control what people find when they Google your name. So for people that their names are important, right, these guys help clear their names or just keep their names clear. And this guy shows confidence. He shows like that he's used this brand yourself program, and he knows that he's secure. Like he's there, he's sitting, he's like, yeah, my name is clear, like no problem. Like these guys take care of that, and they know that people like employers, clients, these people that you're just in touch with, and in your dates, somebody that that's sort of tapping to the emotional part of of a guy and a girl or stuff like that. And you want to look great, yeah, when they search for you. So this company gives you this
this opportunity, and you need help with fixing your Google results, call us now. There's call to action, and it's as seen on Shark Tank, which is probably like a show or something, or a magazine. So this ad is done really nice, like Forbes. That's like social proof. And yeah, this is the emotion here. Like, this guy is totally confident. And with true conversion, it's easy to double your sales when you know exactly what your customers want. And this girl's like, whoa, like this emotion is sort of winning. Like, she probably actually doubled her her sales, and she's feeling awesome. And you see her like this, and you want to be there. Like, yeah, I want to be in this place where I double my sales. Like, I want to be there. And these guys sort of do it really well. And you can just request an invitation today from this company, but they're like only 500 beta users, like, so you should be one of them quickly before these seats run out, right? Yeah, so True Conversion does a really nice job with provoking emotion of being a winner, of happiness, and throughout their copy and pictures. And logically, they let they gotta seal the deal, because there was like a limited amount of spots. You should do that right now, and you just have to enter your email. Guys, there are like 37 different copywriting emotions here that you can later on come back to this video and steal. And your product can be like anything pretty much. Just find the emotion connected to the product, and to the way you want to sell the product. So if you want to say sell something optimistic, for I believe for people who are lacking optimism, or who need extra optimism, you can tap on this emotion of optimism. So you're going to be speaking good things, good positive things throughout your copy, and you're going to be showing the good part of the of the and the full half of the glass, and probably, in order to, if we're selling something, then maybe this what can we sell with optimism? Pretty much everything, like this book or something that it's gonna make you feel more optimistic. Or be that fear is a really nice emotion to tap. Maybe you're selling something that fights germs on toilets or whatever, and the fear is all the germs there. You can tap this emotion by telling people what evil things live there, and how your product cleans it eventually, and ends this fear of germs. And it does it in a way that it reaches everywhere. That's the logic to justify it. And there are like a lot of emotions you can choose from. Also, there's this emotion wheel that basically you're just sort of looking up for an emotion you want to use for your products, for your pictures, whatever. Say it's happiness, and you want to, or actually you want to feel free. That means you're content and you're happy. All right, so your pictures can be accordingly, built accordingly. Or if it's surprised, people can be confused and disillusioned. That's kind of, oh, all right. But then you can be surprised, excited, energetic. All right, so that's an emotion wheel. You can Google it, and it's something that can really help you find the right emotion, and kind of take it deeper. And guys, just gotta remember the three-step buying tier, that people get emotions, which leads to desires, but that leads to action. So again, let's say your product is a kitchen knife. You see a beautiful picture of the turkey cut really well, and just like as you wish it to be, clean. The food is clean, the kitchen is looking good. That's what you want to show to people. They get emotional, they are excited about this, what they're seeing, and then they have the desire to have the same kitchen, or the same cut chicken. And in order to get to that, they gotta get the knife. So they take action and they buy your knife, right? And just a little sort of how to say, a bonus or something, or something that really helps me is identifying emotions and making your sales copy better, is the so what approach. So basically, let's say we have a knife, right? and it's knife. It is made of stainless steel. So what? So our stainless steel is, it's easy to make it sharp, and it won't rust. All right. So what? So your food is gonna stay clear, and there's not gonna be any germs that come with rust in your food. So what? So you can enjoy a perfect meal with your family, and you can be healthy and enjoying your good food. So that's, guys, the so what approach, which basically takes you from the feature to the emotion connected with the feature, or something like that.
Guys, thank you for watching today's video. I really hope that you're going to be using emotions in your business, in your copy, on your Amazon listing or your Shopify site, whatever that is, because people like buying based on emotions, and they love it, in fact. And this makes their buying experience just on, just like another level. And this will help you sell more. Guys, please like this video if you like it. Comment, let me know your thoughts about emotions, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. And let's see each other in my next video. Thank you. Thank you.